Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Higgsfield Sora 2 Pro. Alright, let's begin. Higgsfield has officially launched Sora 2 and Sora 2 Pro worldwide, offering powerful AI video generation tools. To get started, open the link to the Higgsfield platform and head to the video section from the main page. Here you will find Sora 2 ready to use with a clean and simple interface. Once inside, you can begin creating videos directly within the platform. Before generating content, it is important to know that you must be on an active plan. Higgsfield offers different paid plans, including a Pro option that unlocks advanced features. When you attempt to generate a video, the platform will prompt you to choose or upgrade to a plan if you do not already have one. After selecting a plan, you can enable Unlimited mode, which allows you to generate multiple videos without worrying about credit limits. With the Pro plan, you also gain access to higher resolution output, including full high-definition video, making it suitable for professional content creation. Higgsfield Sora 2 Pro is designed for creators, marketers, and filmmakers who want high-quality AI-generated videos without restrictions. So that's basically how you can use Higgsfield Sora 2 Pro. That's it for this video. Thanks.